triple ombre tutorial. This particular ombre is just perfect for summer, so I'd highly recommend trying to master it, and it's actually easier than you would think. So you're going to go in with the yellow at the tip. I'm using a pineapple, I think this one was, from CJP, and I'm just going to pop a little bead on at the bottom and swipe that down. I'm working very, very thin here, so I'm probably being quite cautious with my, more cautious with my beads than I would normally be. So I am adding just tiny little bits extra where I need to, as and when. So I am then going in with the orange, which is the next colour. I want to feather that down. Now, if you look there, that join is probably a bit harder than I'd like it. So I go in with a very, very tiny wet bead, and I'll just pop that over the join and then just blend that down towards the tip. You'll see there, that looks so much smoother. I wanted the middle section just to be a little bit bigger, so I've just popped on another bead at the top of that orange there. Again, I'm working thin so I can add colour where I need to. And if you are enjoying this, please do drop us a like and a follow as we're dropping new content all the time. Then I go in with a teeny little yellow bead at the tip, and I've just gone over there. This is what I love doing about colour ombres. You can, if you're careful and you work thin enough, you can really add to that where you need to and really enhance that blend. Then I go in with the pink at the top, same principle, just pop it on. I'm working quite wet and I'm blending that down. The CJP acrylics are really, really pigmented, so it does normally allow you, you can work quite wet with them. So yes, you can build with a lot of them as well, but I tend not to because I like to save the colours. I'd rather sandwich them in between clear. Once I'm happy with my blends, I'll go in and I'll always cap my ombres in clear. I always say this to you guys, and it's just, you've worked so hard to get a really nice blend, you really don't want to mess that up by filing it away. So just a thin cap here, it's just to make sure that the file isn't going to hit any of the colour, and then you file it and you're good to go with any art. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.